intend to do about this?
Search me, princess. Search me now. For I'm still trying very hard to find an explanation to all of this. I've always known that man. I have always known him. I've always known how shrewd he is, how much he hates the governor, how much he fights to bring the governor down. But what I do not know is that he's the father of Ozioma, a girl that I am planning to get married to.
Well, I am not a sadist. I never had a clue that you have been in a relationship. If I knew, I wouldn't have made the move.
My princess, you won't blame me now for being here. After all that happened, coming here was the first thing on my mind.
Why?
Because you're gifted in a special way. You have a calming effect on people. I was agitated. Oh, I was angry when all of that happened today. But I am here now with you and I am calm. It's you, you know?
Well, I'm happy that my little effort has helped.
Yes, it has. Princess, I hope you don't mind me asking if we can talk about your mission to my house a couple of days ago.
That's fine. But I don't even know why you haven't said anything to me. You haven't said anything yet. So it hasn't compelled me to say more.
And that is because there's a question that I've been meaning to ask you, my princess. But I've had a hard time asking because I do not want to offend you. But with your permission, here and now, I'll ask.
Whatever it is, go ahead and ask. I'm listening.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.